I got my mower out today to sharpen my blades and clean the underside of the deck for the first time in probably a year, which I know is not recommended. But I just wanted to show everybody how clean it is under here. Cut my yard once a week. Just have an acre. Compared to the John Deere mower I had before this, this is stunning how clean it is. I've done very little scraping. You see just a little bit of grass there and a little here. Probably took me 3 minutes to scrape it out to get it to this level. Really could have went ahead and just mowed with it, honestly, but I've got it up on my cheap Harbor Freight lift anyways, to get these blades off and sharpen my leaf blades and put them on. So while it's up, I cleaned it out. So here I swept up the pile of caked on grass that I scraped off, and that's the extent of it. Not much there at all. Pretty impressive.